One of the most common questions we get asked when it comes to ceramic coating is, do I need to get my car paint corrected, or can I live with it as is? Maybe it's a new vehicle, or maybe you think the car looks amazing and you just want to coat it. That may be the case, and some shops may be able to offer you that service. But the honest truth of the matter is, if you do ceramic coat a car without paint correcting it, what you're basically doing is locking in any existing damage that is on the car. So you see, the process of paint correcting, even on a brand new vehicle, basically makes the vehicle look incredible, makes it look perfect. It gets rid of any blemishes or scratches, even microscopic ones, before locking in that shine with the ceramic coating. This table I'm sitting on is a wooden table, and if I put a piece of glass on top, it's going to protect it, it's going to make it shine, it's going to make it easier to clean, and it's going to make it hydrophobic. But if I don't clear up any scratches, or maybe there's some Crayola drawings or some burn marks or something else in the wood, if I put a piece of glass on it, you're still gonna see all of the damage that's on this table. And your car is very similar to that. So on a brand new vehicle, even though it does look amazing, when you pick it up from the dealership, it may be that it's covered with a lot of wax or polish that's hiding some blemishes, or it may be that some of the scratches that are there are pretty noticeable and need to be really, really dug into for some paint correction. Either way, bring it by one of our shops. Let us walk you through this process, talk you through your options, and give you the best information to make the best decision for yourself.